How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you are all just having the most blessed day. I know I'm having a wonderful day here, and I thank each and every single one of you for coming. We got some exciting news for the channel and specifically for you. What is that? Come right back. Don't look at that title and we'll talk about it. Now, you all know me by now that I love to keep my cars clean. I have 3 of them, so that is a lot of work. Can you all imagine taking care of 3 cars inside and out? But the reason we do it is these are investments, as I always say. They're large investments, and we like to take care of the outside of them, keep them shiny and everything, because that's what people see. And we like to take care of our interiors as well, right? You know how it is. Clean car, smells good, it's more pleasing to be in, and we spend a lot of time with our cars going back and forth to work, taking the kids to soccer practice, band class, whatever, like I said, grocery shopping, on trips and all that. So if it smells good, it looks good, it's going to feel good, and that's what adds to the sensation. You ever notice how a clean car just rides and sounds better? It really does. And that eludes or gives me a segue to the great news that I was alluding to a few minutes ago. And what is that? Well, as you know, the last video I did, and I'll put it up there so you can see it, and click on it and watch it, and it's a short one, it's not real long, and it covers a new product by Lithium Auto. And in that video, some of the subscribers asked for something specific, and Lithium Auto heard you loud and clear, and they did it. What did they do, you may be asking? They have provided a discount code for you to use when you order products off of their website. Not Amazon. Amazon, I normally put the Amazon affiliate links because whenever you buy through that comes to me. But this is so you can save money. You, the viewers, you, the subscribers, you, the users of their products, can save money. How much, you may be asking? 20%. Most other channels and stuff that you see, most other channels that you hear about are 10, sometimes 15. No, Lithium Auto has reached out to you, the customers, you, the subscribers, you, the viewers, and is now offering you a 20% off discount. Again, that's off of their website. Man, I have never had a product code on any of my links, on any of my videos on my channel ever. This is the very first time. That's what makes it exciting for me. They've seen you guys reach out and wonder, they reacted. That shows what kind of company they are, right? They follow, they look, they listen. You spoke, you received, and 20% off. And I will put the code down here. They made it up. I had nothing to do with it. I did not even know anything about it. My buddy over at Mall Crawling Ain't Easy, yep, that's the name of his channel. It used to be Paolo Behar. You've heard me mention him before in some of my videos, but he's got a new channel because people were picking on him a little bit, called Mall Crawling Ain't Easy. But he said, since I use their products and everything, it'd be cool for them to offer a discount, and had a couple people respond to that and say, yes, that's true, they should. And I didn't say anything about it. I didn't ask for anything. They took it upon themselves to do it. That says a lot about this company. It really does. Who else is going to do something like that? 20% off. It's unheard of. So, long story short, I will put the link to their website down below in the description box. All you got to do is click on that, go to the website, pick out whatever you want, at checkout, enter. Here's the code, enter. And like I said, I did not make this up. They did. But I really truly appreciate it. Bill and Josh, I really do. Camaro Time, my channel name, rocks. R-O-C-K-S. Camaro Time. Camaro Time rocks. Oh man, I appreciate that, guys. I really do. And it's all because of you. I'm not, you know, I receive the products, I test them. If they're good, I say they're good. If they're bad, I say they're bad. If there's anything that I see that they need to change, I mention it to them. You're the ones that are buying it. You're the ones that have requested it. So here you go. 20% off, Lithium Auto Care, code Camaro Time Rocks. I hope you enjoy. Use it all you want. Save a lot of money. They make some sweet products, as you've seen on my channel. I mean, you can look at my cars and tell that their products work. Like I said, I did that video up there yesterday, and I just opened up the door on it, and it just smells so good. That product, that lithium inner space, it has a aroma to it, and it's just so soothing. But anyhow, you asked for it. Get out there, enjoy your car, enjoy the code, save you some money, get those cars cleaned up, make it a brighter world. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Lithium Auto Care.